Hello, I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today we have a Golf Mark 4 car. We done the service. Then I'm going to show how to reset the service light. The when you ignition on, there is a spanner light blinking. What we had to do a couple of easy steps. Then after that, it will reset. What we had to do first, ignition off. Press and hold this button, and at the same time you have to put the ignition on and holding like a couple of seconds. Then after that, release this button and press it once, minute button, then it will reset. I'm going to demonstrate how to do it now. Press and hold this button, and same time ignition on, and after that release and hold it this button. Now see, it will disappear. That's the way we have to do the VW Golf service light reset. Thanks for watching.